Prime news this evening. Gruesome. 16-year-old girl battling for life after being stabbed in the neck. God was my refuge. Elderly man dumped in pit for 3 days shares how he survived. And it's a good thing. Minister Lord's increased seizure of contraband in prisons.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, coming to you live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we are asking, are you concerned about exam students resuming face-to-face classes next week? Give reasons for your answer. You can share those answers on facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can tweet at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.